Welcome to the Great Agara Lake. This great lake is one of the rare natural lakes of Bangalore. It is located on the outer ring road close to Koramangala and HSR layout in Bangalore. The lake is spread across an area of about 98 acres. The lake was once a picturesque spot where several species of migratory birds could be seen nesting and breeding. However, due to the excessive water pollution and mismanagement of the lake maintenance, the once attractive lake was turned into a dumping site for garbage and a breeding ground for mosquitoes. But due to the conscious effort of the citizens of the area and the cooperative approach of the authorities, the lake is again set to regain its lost glory.
The Agra Lake is known to be a place that attracts a large number of people to visit the lake and spend some serene moment in the company of the colorful birds. However, due to the spurt in the development of the surrounding areas and the careless handling of the lake's cleaning, the historical lake was robbed of its natural beauty. This caused the birds and the human beings to abandon the lake. But a section of the citizens and the authorities, including the Lake Development Authority, undertook several efforts in the last couple of years in order to revive the lake and restore its original beauty. As a result of their efforts, the lake today has regained some of its earlier beauties and has started attracting the birds. The citizens have also urged the authorities to turn the lake into a recreation park.
Main attractions of the Agara Lake, Bangalore. Once restored, the lake will have several attractions. As of now, the walking and jogging track has been cleared and is a major attraction among visitors who enjoy a leisurely walk or love to jog around the lake. The iconic Children Globe Rooster statue that stands along the fence of the lake has been freed from the menace of wild shrubs and bushes. This statue is a big draw for children and adults alike. More than 230 fruit-bearing tree saplings, including varieties such as jamun and peepal, have been planted on the island of the lake. The Agara Lake was once home to more than 40 species of birds, but the number had decreased due to the accumulation of garbage on the lake. After the cleaning and restoration process last year, several varieties of birds have started visiting the lake. During the monsoon season last year, hundreds of birds have returned to the lake for the purpose of nesting and breeding. Among the birds spotted at the lake are a huge number of spot-billed pelicans and coots. The water of the lake has also seen an increase in the number of fishes, as is evident from the presence of the spot-billed pelicans around the lake. Hopefully, the lake will completely regain its earlier beauty and become one of the prime tourist destinations in Bangalore. How to reach Agara Lake, Bangalore. Bangalore is a well-connected city. There are several flights, trains and buses that connect Bangalore to various towns and cities of the country. Agara Lake is located in the heart of the city and can be easily reached by various means of transport from anywhere in Bangalore. The nearest bus stops are the Majestic and the Market bus stands. Auto rickshaws are also available to reach the lake. The nearest railway station is the Bangalore Central Station. Private taxis and cabs can also be hired by visitors who want to go to Agara Lake. This is the Great Agara Lake.